Today we talk about five insurance policies everyone should have. Protecting your most important assets is an important step in creating a solid personal financial plan, and the right insurance policies will go a long way toward helping you safeguard your earning power and positions. Key takeaways: choose a disability policy that provides enough coverage to enable you to enjoy your current lifestyle even if you can no longer continue working. To protect the people that are financially dependent on you, life insurance should be high on your list of required insurance policies. The sourcing cost of medical care is reason enough to make health insurance unnecessary. Replacing your home is an expensive proposition. Having the right homeowner insurance can make the process less difficult. Renters insurance offers replace of mind for renters in the event their personal property is damaged due to covered loss. Number 1, long-term disability insurance. The prospect of long-term disability (LTD) is so frightening that some people choose to ignore it. While we all hope that nothing will happen to me, relying on the hope to protect your future earning power is not a good idea. Insurance is a disability policy that provides enough coverage to enable you to enjoy your current lifestyle even if you can no longer continue working. Long term disability provides a monetary benefit equal to a portion of the insured salary. For cover disabilities, long term disability typically begins when short term disability ends. To receive benefits, the disability must have occurred after the policy insurance and then typically after a waiting period. Medical information, often confirmed by the physician, must be provided to the insurer for the consideration. Most long term disability insurance policies categorize disabilities as occupation. On occupation means that insured due to disability is unable to perform their regular job or a smaller job. An occupation means the insured due to disability is unable to perform any job for which they are qualified. Similar to short and long term disability insurance, workers, companies, or workers pays a monetary benefit to workers who become injured or disabled at work or while performing their jobs. Most states requires employers to carry workers' compensation insurance for their employees. In exchange, employees may not sue their employer for negligence. While long-term disability insurance and workers' insurance both pay disabilities, long-term disability insurance is not limited due to disabilities or injuries occurring at work or while working. Number two, life insurance. Life insurance protects the people that are financially dependent on you. If your parents, spouse, children, or other loved ones would face financial hardship if you died, life insurance should be high on your list of required insurance policies. Think about how much you earn each year and purchase a policy to replace that income in the event of your ultimately factor of the cost of unexpected cost is a burden for many families. Number three, health insurance. The soaring cost of medical care is reason enough to make health insurance unnecessary. Even a simple visit to the family doctor can result in a hefty bill. More serious injuries, they result a hospital stay can generate a bill that tops on the price of 1 week stay at luxury resort. Injuries that require surgery can quickly rack up five-figure cost. Although the cost of health insurance is a financial burden for just about everyone, the potential cost of not having coverage is much higher. Number 4, homeowners insurance. Replacing your home is an expensive proposition. Having the right homeowner insurance can make the process less difficult. When shopping for a policy, look for one that covers the replacement of the structure and the contents. In addition, the cost of living somewhere else while your home is repaired. Keep in mind the cost of rebuilding doesn't need to include that cost of land since you already own it. Depending on the age of your home and the amenities it contains, the cost to replace it could be more or less than the price you paid for it. To get an accurate estimate, find out how much local builders charge per square feet and multiply the amount of space you will need to replace. Don't forget to factor in the cost of upgrades and special features. Also be sure the policy covers the cost of any liability for injuries that might occur on your property. Renters insurance. Renters also need place for place of place renters insurance. Renters also need peace of mind that they will be made whole in the event of a loss. Fortunately, renters insurance is a type of property insurance available to people who rent or lease properties. This insurance provides coverage for personal belongings, liability, and additional living expenses for covered losses. For one property, there may be two types of property coverage: home owners insurance and renters insurance. However, home insurance does not cover the personal property of the tenant. Therefore, it is most important for leases to obtain rental insurance to protect their assets. Although renters insurance differs from homeowners insurance, they have to some components coverage. Number 5, automobile insurance. Some level of automobile insurance is required by law in most places, even if you are not required to have it, and you are driving an old that has been paid off for years. Automobile insurance is something you shouldn't keep if you are involved in an accident and somewhere is injured or their property is damaged. You may be subject to a lawsuit that could cost you everything you own. Accidents happen quickly and the results are often tragic. Having no automobile insurance or purchasing only the minimum required coverage saves you only a tiny amount of money and puts everything else you own at risk. Shop for insurance carefully. Insurance policies come in a variety of shapes and sizes and boast many different features, benefits, and prices. Shop carefully, read the policy, and talk to licensed insurance professional to be certain you understand the coverage and the cost. Make sure the policies you purchase for your need and do not sign on the dotted line until you are happy with purchase. Consider enlisting the service of an insurance broker as they can search for policies across several insurance companies to build coverage coverage that best suits you need. Ask the broker to provide you with several options so you can compare feature and rates. Be in control of your protection by being well informed and make a decision. Frequently asked question about insurance policy. What is the whole life insurance policy? A whole life insurance policy is a permanent life insurance policy in which death benefits are paid upon the death of an insured. The whole life policy remain in force for the life of the insured as long as premiums are up to date. In addition to death benefits, whole life policies build cash value which can be assessed during insured lifetime. What is a universal life insurance policy? A universal life insurance policy is a permanent life insurance that allows the policyholder to invest their cash value in a separate account which features fund tied to stock market. It is a flexible policy whereby premiums and death benefits can be adjusted. How do you can cancel an insurance policy? A policyholder must cancel an insurance policy according the cancellation provision of their contract. Often insurance allows policyholder to cancel by phone, however, some require the request in writing. What is the cash value of a life insurance policy? The cash value of a life insurance policy is the amount of excess of the premiums that are accumulated in the policy. Cash value is the saving component of a permanent life insurance policy that accumulates interest and can be assessed by the policy owner in the form of cash withdrawal or a loan. The bottom line in life losses are investable, and the degree to which these losses impact our lives varies. Insurance lessons that impact by providing financial benefits for covered losses. There are many type of insurance available, but there are some which top top of the chart in term of importance. Home or property insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, health insurance, and automobile insurance are five type of everyone should have.